This is Chakli.
Sakli. Chakli. Sakli. This question is specifically for you.
Okay, for me.
Which is the most peaceful place for Nainish amongst these? How do you both deal with conflicts or disagreement? So how do you guys balance each other out? For like me for you, you for me. One word.
Goodness.
Hello guys.
Hi everyone.
Welcome back to another video. Diwali special Q&A. What a new idea.
क्योंकि हम और कुछ इतना ज्यादा टाइम है हमारे पास कि हम सिर्फ एक Q&A शूट कर पा रहे हैं.
Exactly. So basically मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ पुणे पी टाउन में एंड मेरे पास बस 46 आवर्स की लीव थी तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना ये दिवाली स्पेशल बनाई जाए अपने लिए. करेक्ट.
मैंने भी सेम सोचा. ओके तो वी वेंट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड वी आस्क्ड यू गाइस टू आस्क अस क्वेश्चंस. तो मेरे पास क्वेश्चंस की तो लिस्ट है.
ये गोरी दिख रहा है, मैं काला दिख रहा हूँ.
अरे व्हाट इज दिस रेसिज्म? सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी चिल Q&A सेशन क्योंकि हमारे पास
आई होप आपके घर पे फरार बनता होगा.
Yes.
This is called फरार.
यस प्लीज टेल एवरीवन व्हाट इज व्हाट.
What is what? This is चकली.
सकली.
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 चकली. सकली.
रुजुता काळजी घे केसांची नाही तर तू होणार टकली.
मूविंग ऑन.
Moving on. This is some kind of bakarwadi, but
Yeah.
this is very good.
वेरी टेस्टी.
This is
ऐसे
शेव.
कैसे दिखेगा रे?
ऐसे कैसे ऐसे कैसे. वाह.
दिस इज शेव गाइस.
This is शेव.
गार्लिक
Wow,
शेव.
wow, wow. We have enlightened them so much.
And this is my favorite karanji.
Which karanji it is? Tell them.
Yeah. So guys, this is mango karanji. So whenever it's summer season, हमारे घर पे हम लोग mango pulp save करके रखते हैं. And वो mango pulp से we make this karanji.
ये हमारा तो होगा ना?
This question is specifically for you.
Okay, for me.
Which is the most peaceful place for Nainish amongst these? Solapur, Pune, Manipal.
Okay. Manipal? Not. You have seen the Dictator movie? No, Borat movie. No. Not Manipal. Not Manipal. Definitely yes.
अरे give one answer.
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, रीजनिंग भी देना चाहिए ना, क्यों है नहीं है. As a resident.
Most peaceful place का answer you give and then you tell what is what. You rate 1, 2, 3.
First, P-Town baby. Number 1 P-Town. Second, oh my god, it's tough man. I would have chosen Manipal, but as a resident नहीं है वो peaceful भाई. नहीं है as a resident peaceful. वो peace देखने नहीं मिलता है. Peace देखने के लिए भी लाइफ चाहिए ना. हॉस्पिटल के बाहर बहुत अच्छी. तो first पुणे, second सोलापुर, third Manipal. But Manipal, if not residency, then it is one of the best places to be. Like as an undergrad or maybe as a consultant. क्या लगता है तेरे को? तू तो आई नहीं, एक ही बार आई है Manipal. There are a lot of things to do in Manipal. Near Manipal specifically. उसके लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है.
What's your next destination for your trip?
Oh my god.
Good question.
अभी तो यहाँ से जा रहा हूँ भाई, मैंगलोर और मणिपाल, वही नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन है. तो ट्रिप प्लान करना है.
You guys suggest in comments
next year,
which
next
place
year.
do you want us to see?
यस, नेक्स्ट ईयर जाना तो है. अगर नेक्स्ट ईयर ट्रिप पे जाना हो तो उसके लिए बहुत कंटेंट बनाना पड़ेगा.
Oh, this is a good deep question.
डीप. ओके.
How do you both deal with conflicts or disagreement?
मैं फाइटिंग.
अरे that is the conflict. How do we deal with it?
तू बता ना, तुझे नहीं आंसर करना है क्या? 2 आंसर तो मैंने किया अब तक.
तो वो क्वेश्चन ही तेरे लिए था.
मैं अभी बोल तेरे लिए भी है ना क्वेश्चन, बता तू.
No, first you tell. I'm thinking.
I think so we just
Ignore.
We'll fight and then we'll think like there's no other option left, so we'll come back again. We'll fight and when it's like every night, then it's like okay, if nothing happened. ऐसे करना पड़ता है ना फिर रेजिडेंसी में. क्या झगड़ा हुआ पिछली रात, ठीक है, अगले दिन
No guys, the real and correct answer is communication.
Yeah, that is true. I am spinal to her LSCS.
Okay. Next.
ये अच्छे से आंसर कर लो. अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है, कुछ फालतू आंसर कर रहे हैं. No, exactly guys. The point is, नहीं आंसर कर. How do you resolve fight?
Communication.
ये गुस्सा होती है फिर यश को कॉल करके बोलती है ये मैं तो ये नहीं कर सकता. मुझे लगता है यश क्या ही हेल्प करेगा इसमें. यश नीड्स हेल्प. यश मेरे मुझे क्यों थोड़ा इसमें.
How do you manage long distance relationships with your postings and heavy schedule?
Oh, very difficult.
Yeah.
Honestly, almost every month the same story happens. एक दिन इसका ड्यूटी रहता है, ये पोस्ट ड्यूटी होती है नेक्स्ट डे. फिर मेरा ड्यूटी आता है, मैं पोस्ट ड्यूटी होता हूँ.
Yeah.
And our circadian rhythms have changed drastically. At least मेरा.
Yeah. Most of the times ऐसा होता है कि मतलब बात होती है बट ऐसा लगता नहीं कि अरे बात की है प्रॉपरली.
हाँ, बहुत देर से ऐसे से विस्तार में बात की हो.
Yeah, it's just like we are constantly in touch with each other, but then वो conversation proper ऐसा कभी-कभी
बहुत कम होता है.
हाँ,
That's
it
true,
happens
that's
कि
true.
बहुत टाइम जाता है, ऐसा लगता है अरे बात ही नहीं की. फिर then we decide कि नहीं आज बात
आज
करनी
बात
है.
करेंगे. Yeah.
So then you have to make time. You have to.
ऐसा नहीं कि we are like not staying in touch. रोज बात होती है.
हाँ.
इधर हॉस्पिटल जा रहा हूँ तो कार में कॉल कर लूंगा, ब्रेक में कॉल कर लूंगा, या वो मुझे कॉल करेगी, मैसेज करेगी, वो तो होता है. बट लाइक प्रॉपर फेस टाइम कर रहे 40 मिनट्स 45 मिनट्स जो मेरे पास नहीं होता. मुझे सोना होता है जल्दी. अर्ली टू बेड अर्ली टू राइज मेक्स अ मैन हेल्दी एंड वाइज. वेल्दी तो मैं हो नहीं रहा हूँ किसी भी एंगल से.
एंगेजमेंट के बाद कैसे लग रहा है? मुझे तो ऐसा लग नहीं रहा, कुछ अलग हो गया है. बट जस्ट दैट अभी हम कहीं पे जाते हैं तो
हमारे पेरेंट्स को शर्माना नहीं पड़ता अभी. अभी हमारे पेरेंट्स को हो गया है.
किसी को अगर इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, या शी इज माय डॉटर एंड माय सन इन लॉ, सो दैट इम्प्रूवमेंट हैज हैपेंड, दैट हैज चेंज्ड.
Yeah.
बट अदरवाइज इट्स सेम
From
ओनली.
wannabe son-in-law to be son-in-law.
क्या बोल रहा है इसको ही पता.
मेरे को नहीं पता. ठीक है. अरे son-in-law तो किसी ने बोला नहीं. हमारे इसमें जावाई बोलते हैं. ये जावाई.
Anyways, this is a little interesting question. I don't know what will be your views on it or mine.
Okay.
I am 29 female. I broke up after 5 years of my relationship in MBBS. What to do now? No PG seat or job.
She's 29 post MBBS now.
Yeah.
And no PG seat and broke up.
Yeah, what to do?
What to do? Appear for exam? No, I don't know in what like what terms she is asking the question. Like in terms of relationship, in terms of education.
Both.
Marry a rich guy. What should I answer, bro? No. Sorry. Okay, but that would solve most of the problems. No, technically speaking, you will get married or you will get rich also.
That to be husband will come to know that she was in a 5-year long relationship and he will also reject. Then what will you do?
When you start studying Zainab ma'am BTR, oh.
Yes.
No, I think so. First,
Step by step.
Yeah. Secure your future.
Yeah.
Your own future. Your future lies in your own hands. This is not working. I'm going to sweat. For half of the time, I'm doing trash talk only.
Are you guys satisfied with life as of now?
Good only. Not satisfied.
Not that matlab.
What do you want more?
Just I don't know.
She's always constipated, so she every day for her it feels like okay. What do you want more from life, bro?
I don't know, just maybe you.
Oh, that's true.
No, but 100% you're satisfied?
Hey, bro, this life is better than the prep life.
Oh yeah, if you compare
Yeah,
it
if
that
you
way,
compare
then
it to
okay,
that
yes.
phase, this is much better. At least
Yeah.
every day I don't have to think what to do next because they don't give us time and space to think what to do next. I always have tasks to do. Correct? No, in residency you don't have to think. No, oh my God, what should I do tomorrow?
Yeah.
There is always
No,
so much
if you
work.
compare it with the prep
Yeah.
phase, then definitely
Yeah, residence
this
is better than the prep.
much
phase.
better.
100%.
But I think at this point, I don't know, I'm just too tired.
Yeah, at this point I am also tired. Please start the counseling. Please, I need juniors. Please, I beg you. Please join early.
भाई आप दिवाली का छोड़ो, बस अपनी शादी लाइव स्ट्रीम कर दो.
भाई
ये क्या
ऐसा तो
डिमांड
क्या
है?
है यार, कुछ भी बोलोगे, लाइव स्ट्रीम करो शादी. फिर व्यूज कैसा आएगा? ऐसा थोड़ी है. अच्छे से शूट करूंगा और फिर एडिट करके व्लॉग डालूंगा, फिर खराब है ना. लाइव स्ट्रीम क्या करेगी शादी यार? कुछ आया कि नहीं सवाल इधर? YouTube पे पूछना था.
One word for your fiance.
For my fiance.
For like me for you, you for me. One word.
Gundas. Bomb out of the context, you.
उसका मीनिंग भी बताओ, सबको गलत ना लगे. गोंडस का.
Cutie pie.
Yeah.
तेरे को भी देना है बे. There's no comeback after this. I agree. मुझे क्या बोलना था?
मैं चिकना बोलने वाली थी. But that is not.
Very कुछ है ही नहीं. जो
अभी
दिल में होता
गोंडस
है
बोल दिया तो मेरा दिमाग ही ऑफ हो गया ना.
Genius.
What else can you say?
तू नहीं ना मैं.
You also बोल.
ये ऐसा I love you, same to you. ये same to you. हमारे
नहीं.
ये देखो same to you.
Favorite movie आप दोनों की?
दोनों की एक मूवी कैसे फेवरेट? सॉलिड but difficult no.
Separately.
ನಮಗೆ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಂತಾರ.
I also
ತುಂಬಾ
saw it,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ
but-
ಮೂವಿ ಕಾಂತಾರ.
Kantara was okay.
ಏನೋ ಕಾಂತಾರ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Like-
ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಮೂವಿ
Recent.
ಕಾಂತಾರ ಅಂಡ್ did I watch anything else that was very good, appealing.
Anything released on Netflix?
I'm not
I
consuming
don't
a
know
lot of
ऐसा
Netflix these days.
favorite तो नहीं है.
My all-time favorite would be
I like Bads of Bollywood also.
Bads
But
of
it's not a
Bollywood is
movie,
good.
it's a series.
Yeah.
But I enjoyed watching that.
all time. मतलब if I'm stressed out and I want to watch a movie, I would would definitely go back to playing Welcome and all those movies.
For me, my go-to favorite movie when I don't know what to do is Dil Dhadakne Do or ZNMD. One of these two.
But I find
Or Ye
Welcome,
Jawani Hai Diwani. These three are like my
for me, it's
anytime I can watch. I know the
OG
entire
Welcome, OG Golmaal. This I'll play. I know all the dialogues, what's coming next. I'll still laugh at it.
How did you both know that you will hold on to each other?
Thanks to our parents. No choice. No choice, brother. No, bro. Like, honestly, 8 years into relationship.
Months.
8 years into relationship, we got engaged.
Yeah.
So that's a long time now. But the best
No, but-
decision parents only do.
What?
Got us engaged ASAP after my need.
Yeah.
That was the best
But
thing.
why their decision? You
No.
didn't want to get engaged.
No, but I was still thinking, no, after some time into residency, after some time, best was getting engaged at the start only.
Yeah.
Because the frustration never ends. At least you're more secured in residency. I'm like, okay, I'm engaged. I have a life outside this shit. Correct, no? That engagement, I feel, adds on more responsibility
True.
as partners
Yes.
rather than just being in a relationship and doing residency. Yeah, I feel that was the best decision. Getting engaged ASAP after joining residency.
It was not that ASAP.
Yeah,
4
ASAP only.
months.
What? December 3rd week I joined, and March 3rd weekend we got 4th weekend. That was good. You guys also should try this. If your parents agree, then only. What do you think?
Correct.
Not getting any questions.
What is the one thing about her which is very weird but you find attractive? ऐसा question है मैंने नहीं
ये तूने भेजा होगा fake account से ऐसे.
पता. It's Yui
Very
has asked.
weird, but you find it attractive.
Yeah.
You answer this question. I don't know. What do you think
Weird
about me?
about me.
Me.
What is weird about you?
No, you
but
can
I
answer
find
that. I
attractive?
don't know how to answer this. Like, I'm not
What
thought
is
about
weird
it.
about him? What is weird about him is that in any stressful situation he'll try to joke about it, which is weird. But it's attractive also. Good answer, no?
Good. Yeah, it's true. It's weird about her. Yeah, for her also, in any stressful situation, she prefers
She'll take
to-
stress.
Yeah, she takes stress. She wants to cry. Then she'll call me and cry. Weird only, but attractive also. You'll cry, no? Every stressful situation.
Yeah. Okay, so if someone wanted to start a YouTube channel, what are your suggestions?
Start.
So they want some suggestions, no?
Create a channel. Go to Google. Create account. Start a channel.
No,
You
you
know,
answer
just-
nicely,
yeah,
please.
Okay, nicely. I'll answer now. Bro, just do what you like. Start filming. Whatever you like, you start filming. Don't take stress about the competition, the views and all. Because anyways, in the initial part, you won't get it. So don't fall into the trap of getting more views, getting more likes, getting more subscribers. It is more important that you gain confidence in what you're doing. Correct, no?
Yeah, and I think most people, when they think of starting a YouTube channel, the only thing that is holding them back is the fear of just putting themselves out
Yeah,
there.
no,
So-
I think so. Putting themselves out is one of the scenarios. 100%, it was there with us also. But when we started, we didn't know about anything else. We just wanted to shoot because vlogging at
It
that
was
point
fun.
of time, it was fun.
Yeah.
So we started with vlogging, but we didn't have any idea about anything like what number of subscribers we are going to
Yeah.
get, any monetary aspect. Nowadays, it's right out there. Like people know, okay, these people have earned this much, that much, this many subscribers will give you this and that. But that is like an endless competition, and it's like too much stress that won't get you through the process of filming, like or making content. Honestly, nowadays we are also not making any as such like meaningful or entertaining content, but it's just that we like to make videos, and we have been doing it for a long time, so we want to continue doing it. Correct? No?
Yeah. So this is like a really long question,
Long question. Okay.
but the way they have written it, okay? So this person has said, sometimes I feel like you both are completely opposite personalities. Like Rujuta is a girl who likes to be in her soft girl era. She needs everything planned and peaceful, whereas Nainish is a full-on explosion of energy. He's chaotic and doesn't like to abide by the rules. So how do you guys balance each other out?
This is partially true, but partially not true
Yeah.
also. No, because for me also it has to be planned.
For me also sometimes
Yeah.
it's chaotic.
Yeah, chaotic with her.
By
nowadays I
default
don't-
it gets balanced.
Yeah, by default it gets balanced. Nowadays I don't prefer being chaotic a lot. I just want it. Hey, what do you mean by being chaotic? Apart from my room that is messy, my clothes are messy. Everything that I do will be planned. Most of the things. What you have to answer?
No, but it is okay planned also, but chaos is also there.
What
no?
is the chaos associated with it? Like for example.
I can't now think and
Yeah,
point
exactly.
out.
I just don't know what exactly you're talking about. Like, is it related to traveling? What exactly is it related to? This question. Like, you can be planned or chaotic in certain aspects. No, when it comes to work life, I don't think so. I am chaotic at all. Like, I don't like chaos. I just want everything to go smooth, planned and all. If I'm not sleeping also next day, I regret that why did I sleep late last night. So far for me it's now become, I want a normal regular life, bro. For her it's not like she can manage sleeping 2 hours, 3 hours and then going to the hospital.
Nowadays it has become very difficult for me also.
Yeah, we are aging.
Yeah.
I cannot pull an all-nighter out. All-nighter, can you do that and go to the hospital? I've tried this recently.
Nahi
Not
hota.
my cup of tea anymore.
Okay. Next question. What is one dish that Rujuta makes good and it is like your comfort dish which I make?
Hey bro, it's been a long time you have made something or you have cooked something.
But like,
That's like 2 years ago last time you made something. Because he makes a good, decent chicken curry. That's the only thing I think so I've eaten most of the
yeah.
times.
But now I have expanded my horizon.
Horizons?
I can make whatever you want.
Bro, she needs to make only one dish. That's it. She doesn't have to do a lot of effort
What?
for me to get happy.
What dish?
Varan bhat.
Nah. It's very easy.
Ashte. Varan bhat ashte. You know what's ashte?
Love?
That's it.
Ashte is love only, no?
No, ashte is that's it.
That Ashte.
Ashte.
We'll say Ante.
Ante, ashte.
Ante.
Hey, our Telugu Kannada audience like, ooh. They're like, ooh.
Okay. They have asked this same question in an opposite way also. What is the one good dish that Nainish makes and Rujuta likes? Slow claps for this question. Can Nainish make any dish? Would Nainish want to make any dish?
Protein shake, is it counted as a dish?
Which Rujuta likes, they have asked.
Bro, she likes everything, bro. She likes food.
Yeah, but then what Nainish makes is the question.
What do I make? Yeah, I can't cook. Even Naveen will comment on this.
What?
Whatever you have said.
వేస్ట్ ఫెలో అంతేరా ఏం చేయట్లేదు అస్సలు ఏం చేయట్లేదు ఒక్కసారి కూడా కిచెన్లో ఎంటర్ చేయట్లేదు హీ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఐ థింక్
I understood, of course. I have so many Telugu friends there.
సో
Yeah, I understood what you told.
వాట్ ఐ సెడ్
He doesn't want to step into the kitchen once also.
ఇస్ ఇట్ రాంగ్ గైస్ ఎస్
ನಮಗೆ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ
అస్సలు ఒక్కసారి కూడా చెప్పలేదు ట్రై చేస్తుంది
This is too good, bro. Mine is too weak.
సో ఐ థింక్ దట్ వాజ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ సైడ్
ನಮಗೆ ಓಟ್ಸ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಓಟ್ಸ್ చాలా ಈಸಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್
ಬಟ್ ಓಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಬಟ್ ರುಜುತಾ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಟ್ಸ್
Rujita needs food for survival. Rujita has to eat whatever is being made.
Rujita can make what she wants. So Rujita will like what Rujita
Are you speak loudly, bro?
Rujita will eat what Rujita will make. And Rujita makes everything what she likes.
And I also eat whatever she likes.
Yeah, you have no choice.
Yeah, I don't mind.
At least you should help, no?
When did I not help? Good question.
When did I make? Okay, next time.
Yeah. Oh.
Done, guys. These were all the questions. We actually got a lot of questions if you see.
Yeah, but everything was
But
similar.
all
There
was
were
like
some mid questions only, most of them.
See, so many questions we got. But most of these questions were when are you getting married? Most of them.
Yeah.
Like almost all of them. 80% of them were like, when are you guys getting married?
Okay, anyways.
And
Guys-
one of the question was, sorry, I forgot to ask, which is your most favorite Diwali snack?
Oh,
I will tell mine. Mine is chakli.
I
love
also like chakli, but I think so shave most. Yeah, shave is too good, bro. See, chakli you can eat only as chakli. Shave is something that you can add on to a lot of dishes and eat. You can only eat shave. You can eat it with poha, upma. That also tastes better. So I think so. Shave is
But
the
I don't
all-rounder.
think shave is like specifically Diwali dish.
Bro, but I would prefer like that yellow color shave is every time you can eat that. But this one, this at least in our
Garlic
house it's
shave.
made during Diwali only. This save you call it, we call it shave. So,
Garlic shave.
Garlic shave. So I feel this is the most underrated Diwali snack. I think so there are a lot of snacks. Chakli is good, but for me it's too oily. Shave is too good. As a chakna also it's too good.
Shave is oily.
No, but it's less oily as compared to chakli, no? I don't know, but for me shave is the game changer. So guys, wishing you all a very very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, guys.
Enjoy, get married soon. They also should get married, no? As we are growing older, they are also getting older only, no?
Correct.
Not like they are anti-aging. Correct, no? Guys, find yourself a good partner like me.
I mean.
And I hope you guys are having fun in life. And guys, we have started making content, okay? This is the second video. In last 10 days we have shot. So please, genuine request, if you are if you're watching till then, please like, share, subscribe, do whatever it takes. But just let the momentum get going. We need a lot of momentum now. Anything else you want to say?
Yes, guys, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and if you've still not subscribed to our channel, please make sure you subscribe as well. And if you've seen the video till this point, then comment a diya. Okay? Then we will know that आपने पूरा video देखा है. ठीक है?
Bye.
Bye guys. Happy Diwali.